The Leo Soul Bracelet from Soul Aura is a zodiac-inspired piece of jewelry that is designed specifically around the symbolism and personality traits traditionally associated with the Leo zodiac sign. The overall concept combines fashion with spiritual and personal symbolism, making the bracelet more than just a conventional accessory for people who enjoy astrology, manifestation, or meaningful jewelry. Its presentation focuses on themes such as confidence, creativity, passion, positivity, abundance, and personal growth, which are commonly connected with Leo symbolism. As a result, the bracelet may appeal to customers who like wearing accessories that have a personal or symbolic meaning rather than simply choosing jewelry based on appearance alone. From a design perspective, the bracelet has a relatively simple and wearable appearance that can work as an everyday accessory. The adjustable construction is a practical feature because it allows the wearer to modify the fit according to their wrist size. This can be particularly useful for people who prefer a bracelet that is neither too tight nor too loose. The design also gives it a casual and versatile character, meaning it can potentially be worn with different outfits and styles without appearing overly elaborate. Customers looking for a subtle zodiac-themed accessory may find this approach appealing. The Leo theme is one of the more distinctive aspects of the product. Leo is traditionally associated with qualities such as confidence, leadership, determination, warmth, creativity, and self-expression, and the bracelet is marketed around these types of ideas. For someone who strongly identifies with their zodiac sign, the product can function as a personal reminder of those qualities. Even for someone who does not necessarily believe in astrology, the bracelet can still be viewed as a decorative accessory with an interesting concept and a motivational meaning attached to it. Soul Aura also presents the bracelet in the context of manifestation and positive energy. The product is associated with ideas such as attracting abundance, encouraging positive energy, supporting personal intentions, and helping to keep away negative influences. These concepts are important to understand in the context in which they are presented. They are spiritual or symbolic claims rather than scientifically proven properties of the bracelet.